Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the right corner button, so we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to this settings button, and here we can open the advanced camera options. Now we have to slide a little bit to find the volume button's function, and when we pick it, we can decide to use this as shutter, which is now shutter countdown, zoom, or volume. So let me change it now to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to tap on the volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.